My busy friend thinks I'm useless in her life. I'm frustrated with one of my friends. We've known each other for about 12 years. We met in college, and now we're both in our mid-30s. My friend is the type who's always so busy. If you know someone like this, you get it. She's always doing something and can't seem to sit still. She loves being around people and just can't relax. She's a nice person, but her busy lifestyle has always been kind of annoying to me. After we graduated, she only worked part-time, like 2 to 3 days a week, from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. She didn't have kids, pets, a serious partner, or sick relatives to care for. Yet, she was still super hard to reach. I lived just 30 minutes away by walking, but we'd only meet every 3 to 4 months. Every time, she'd say, "I know it's been so long, but I'm just so busy." A few years ago, I moved to a different country. I tried keeping in touch through WhatsApp, but even that started to fall apart. During the pandemic, she got married and had 2 kids. So now, with real responsibilities, it's even harder to reach her. For the past year, I've been the one sending her messages, updating her on my life and asking about hers. She takes weeks or even months to reply, if she even does. And when she does, it's just a quick, "So sorry, been so busy, but you're in my thoughts. How are you?" Meanwhile, she's active on social media, posting about all the fun things